Aries, 23rd November 2024. Love life, romance takes a playful turn today. Couples can reignite their spark with light-hearted activities or shared laughter. Singles, enjoy socializing without any expectations. You might stumble upon someone who surprises you in delightful ways. Career, your innovative ideas may catch the attention of influential people today. Don't hold back from sharing your vision, but ensure your proposals are backed by solid reasoning. Networking opportunities could also arise, seize them. Well-being, you may feel an urge to break free from routine. Engage in an activity that excites you, like exploring a new hobby or visiting a new place. This change will boost your mood and refresh your perspective. Advice, bring creativity and fun into your day. Be open to new experiences and connections, both personally and professionally. Lucky color, red. Lucky number, 5. Taurus, 23rd November 2024. Love life, romantic sparks are flying today, Taurus. If you are in a relationship, you may feel a renewed sense of passion and excitement. Surprise your partner with a thoughtful gesture or spontaneous plan. Singles, keep an eye out for someone who aligns with your values. They could bring long-term potential. Career, your hard work is paying off, and you might receive recognition for your efforts today. Use this momentum to tackle any remaining challenges and finalize ongoing projects. Collaborations will be especially fruitful, so don't shy away from teaming up with others. Well-being, your energy levels are high today, making it a great day for physical activity. Whether it's a workout, a hike, or dancing, channel your energy into movement to stay balanced. Advice, embrace the positive energy surrounding you and use it to strengthen relationships and advance your goals. Lucky color, forest green. Lucky number, 8. Gemini, 23rd November 2024. Love life, excitement fills the air in your love life, Gemini. Couples may rediscover their spark through shared activities or a romantic date night. Singles could meet someone intriguing at a social event. Your natural charisma will attract positive attention. Career, your adaptability shines today, helping you navigate unexpected changes or challenges. Stay open to new approaches and be ready to offer solutions. Networking could lead to promising opportunities, so make an effort to connect with others. Well-being, you are buzzing with energy today, but don't overdo it. Balance high-energy activities with moments of rest to avoid burnout. Advice, embrace opportunities to connect and collaborate. Your enthusiasm is contagious and can lead to exciting possibilities. Lucky color, light blue. Lucky number, 3. Cancer, 23rd November 2024. Love life, today, your nurturing energy is magnetic, Cancer. If you are in a relationship, indulge in acts of kindness and care. This will bring you closer to your partner. Singles might be drawn to someone who values emotional connection. This could lead to something beautiful, so don't be afraid to open up. Career, your hard work is about to pay off, Cancer. If you've been working toward a goal or project, today you may receive recognition or a breakthrough. Trust that your dedication and persistence are being noticed by others. Well-being, your mood is lifted today by the love and positivity you receive from others. Engage in activities that bring joy and fulfillment, and be sure to spend time with people who nurture your spirit. Advice: embrace the love and appreciation around you. Your caring nature brings harmony to those around you, and today, you'll feel the rewards of your efforts. Lucky color: silver. Lucky number: 7. Leo, 23rd November 2024. Love life, romance is highlighted today, Leo. If you are in a relationship, you may find that your bond deepens as you open up emotionally. If you are single, today might bring a romantic encounter that sparks curiosity and excitement. Keep your heart open to unexpected possibilities. Career: you might feel inspired to take bold steps at work today. If you've been hesitant to speak up or take on a new project, this is the moment to step forward with confidence. Your ideas are ready to shine, and others will be eager to support you. Well-being: your vitality is high, but be mindful of burnout. While you may have the energy to take on more, balance your schedule and remember to rest. Physical activity today will give you a sense of accomplishment and balance, but don't overdo it. Advice: take a leap of faith today, whether in love or work. Trust that the universe will support you as long as you step forward with intention. Lucky color: gold. Lucky number: 1. Virgo, 23rd November 2024. Love life. Today, Virgo, you might find your love life taking an unexpected turn. If you are in a relationship, it's a good time for deep conversations about your future together. If you are single, there could be an unexpected spark with someone who challenges your usual way of thinking. Be open to growth in your relationships. Career: at work, today offers a chance for you to stand out. Your creativity and innovation will be noticed, especially if you've been working on a project that requires problem solving. Trust your ideas, as they have the potential to make a big impact. Well-being: your well-being may benefit from a bit of mental relaxation. Take time today to slow down, meditate, or engage in an activity that helps clear your mind. Avoid overloading yourself with tasks and instead focus on recharging your mental energy. Advice: trust in your unique perspective today, Virgo. Whether in love or career, embracing new ideas and stepping out of your comfort zone will lead to exciting opportunities. Lucky color: beige. Lucky number: 4. Libra, 23rd November 2024. Love life. In love, Libra, you may find yourself reflecting on your needs and desires. If you are in a relationship, take some time to discuss your goals with your partner, especially if there's been any recent tension. Singles may feel the urge to evaluate what they truly seek in a partner. Be honest with yourself and others today. Career: you might experience a slowdown at work today, Libra, with some projects taking longer than expected to complete. While this could be frustrating, it's a great opportunity to focus on quality over speed. Take the time to refine your work and ensure it's up to your standards. Well-being: your well-being could benefit from some relaxation today. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, it's the perfect day to recharge. Consider spending time with loved ones or engaging in creative activities that bring you joy. Self-care is a priority today. Advice: don't rush the process today. Take your time with work and relationships to ensure that everything aligns with your true needs. Lucky color: pink. Lucky number: 6. Scorpio, 23rd November 2024. Love life. Scorpio, today your emotional depth could lead to an intense conversation with your partner or someone you are close to. If you are in a relationship, this could be a day for sharing your innermost thoughts and feelings. For singles, you may meet someone who challenges you to think differently about love and connection. Be open to new perspectives. Career, at work, Scorpio, today may bring a sense of accomplishment as you complete a major project or milestone. Your hard work is paying off, and others are taking notice. This could be a great day to reflect on your achievements and set new goals for the future. Well-being, emotionally, you may feel quite sensitive today. Take care not to become overwhelmed by intense feelings. It might be a good idea to engage in an activity that allows you to release pent-up emotions, such as journaling or physical exercise. Don't forget to prioritize your mental health. Advice: today is a day for self-reflection and emotional healing. Focus on the positive strides you've made, but also make space for healing any lingering wounds. Lucky color, maroon. Lucky number, 9. Sagittarius, 23rd November 2024. Love life, today, Sagittarius, expect your romantic life to feel more playful and light-hearted. If you are in a relationship, plan something fun and spontaneous to bring excitement into your connection. For singles, you may feel drawn to someone who has a great sense of humor or an adventurous spirit. Keep the vibe light and playful. Career, in your career, today is an excellent day for networking and connecting with others. Whether you are looking for new opportunities or simply building relationships, your charm and enthusiasm will draw others to you. Just remember to stay grounded and don't overcommit to things that don't align with your goals. Well-being, you may feel an increase in mental clarity today, which will help you make decisions with confidence. Physically, make sure to stay active to release any stress that may have built up over the week. A brisk walk or light exercise can help rejuvenate you. Advice: stay social today and embrace your natural curiosity. Engage with others and use your charm to create new opportunities, but don't lose sight of your priorities. Lucky color, purple. Lucky number, 2. Capricorn, 23rd November 2024. Love life, in your romantic life today, Capricorn, you may feel like retreating into your shell a bit. If you are in a relationship, you may need some personal space to reflect on your feelings and priorities. For singles, it's okay to take a break from the dating scene if you are not feeling up to it. Focus on self-care and reconnecting with yourself. Career, at work, today may bring a quieter, more introspective energy. You might feel like working behind the scenes rather than being in the spotlight. This is a good day to focus on tasks that require attention to detail and organization. Take your time and work at your own pace. Success will come with persistence. Well-being, emotionally, today might feel like a day for retreat and inner reflection. It's a good time to check in with yourself and release any stress or emotional baggage. Physically, focus on maintaining your energy levels, especially if you've been working hard. Take time for a quiet walk or some calming activities. Advice: take today for self-reflection. Use this time to recharge and reconnect with your inner desires and needs. Your personal well-being will benefit from moments of peace and quiet. Lucky color, navy blue. Lucky number, 10. Aquarius, 23rd November 2024. Love life, Aquarius. Today you may feel introspective about your love life. If you are in a relationship, take some time to reflect on your emotions and desires. It's a good day for honest discussions about long-term goals. For singles, you may want to step back from the dating scene for a bit to focus on personal growth. Career. At work, you may encounter a bit of resistance or slow progress today. Don't be discouraged, this is just a temporary setback. Use this time to reevaluate your strategies and fine-tune your plans. A little patience today will lead to smoother results in the future. Well-being. Today, your mental health will benefit from taking time for self-care. Whether it's through meditation, reading, or simply spending time with nature, give yourself a mental break. Your physical energy may feel a bit low, so prioritize rest and rejuvenation. Advice: don't rush the process today. Use any setbacks as opportunities to reassess and plan your next steps. Take it easy on yourself and nurture your well-being. Lucky color: turquoise. Lucky number: 11. Pisces, 23rd November 2024. Love life, Pisces. Today could bring moments of emotional vulnerability in your love life. If you are in a relationship, you may need to express your feelings more openly, but do so with compassion. If you are single, you might be attracted to someone who seems to understand you on a deeper level. Be true to yourself in your interactions. Career. At work, you may feel more introspective today. It's a good time to review your long-term goals and think about what you want to achieve next. While you may not feel like being particularly outward today, doing some behind-the-scenes work will still bring you closer to your objectives. Well-being. Today, your emotional health may take priority. Pay attention to how you are feeling and don't be afraid to seek support if needed. A gentle, nurturing activity such as a warm bath or a creative outlet will help you process your emotions. Physically, listen to your body and rest if necessary. Advice: don't be afraid to be vulnerable today, Pisces. Your emotional honesty will lead to deeper connections and self-discovery. Make time for quiet self-care and reflection. Lucky color: sea green. Lucky number: 12.